So in this video, I want to solve this percent problem. This question says 64 is 250% of what number? So what it implies is 250% of a certain number will give you 64. So we can say let the number be what? Be n. So if the number is n, so we can say 250% of what? N is equal to what? 64. So 250% in this case is what? 250 divided by 100 of here means what? Multiplication times n is equal to what? 64. So this one will return what? 250 what? N over 100 is equal to what? 64. This cancel this. So we have 25. We have 25n over 10 is equal to 64. So if you cross multiply, we are going to be having what? 25 what? N is equal to what? 64 times 10. Divide both sides by the coefficient of n, which is 25. So n will be 64 times 10 divided by 25. So in that case, 64 times 10, that is what? 640 divided by 25. So n will now be 640 divided by 25 will give us what? 25.6, right? So in that case, what we are saying is that 250% of 25.6 will give us what? 64. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.